Hi and welcome to Wheel Wonderland. Today we're unboxing something really exciting. The Hot Wheels. 2-in-1 racetrack. Transporter. Here it is, just look at this box. Bright colors, awesome artwork, and that classic Hot Wheels vibe. It's called the Hot Wheels Racetrack Transporter model. AGH33, and we're about to open it up, check it out, and see what it's really made of. All right, let's see what we've got here today. Looks like a whole lot of fun packed into one big, colorful box. I mean, just look at it. Loud colors, cool design. It already feels like something's about to go down. Okay, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Gently, or well, as gently as I can manage. There's something about peeling open. Packaging like this, it's almost better than birthdays. And here we go. There it is. The mighty Hot Wheels Transporter. Big, bold, and ready to haul a ton of mini metal machines across the living room floor. You can already tell this thing is going to see some serious action. Let's just take a moment to appreciate how satisfying it is to unbox something like this. You know that feeling when everything's still untouched and perfect? Yeah, that. Okay, let's get the cars out too. And of course, they're all packed in like tiny treasures waiting to race. You ever just stop and think, man, I wish I had this when I was a kid? But hey, who says we're too old now, right? This is still peak joy. All right, almost there. Just a few more pieces to free from their plastic prison. Okay, everything's out. It's looking good. Feeling good. And now, let's see what it can really do. Time for a little test drive. Or maybe a test launch. But hey, while you're watching this, let us know what you think. Ever had one of these? Still collecting? Or just here for the good vibes? Either way, thanks for sticking around. And don't forget to hit that like button if this made you smile. All right, let's hit the track.